Good morning, students. Today class is how to draw a internal tangents over a two equal circles as well as two unequal circles. Drawing internal tangents, also called as interior tangents. Internal tangents anna okate, interior tangents anna okate. Similarly, external tangents anna okate, exterior tangents anna okate. See here, one thing you need to remember, that is, see, for internal tangents, the tangent lines always cross with each other. Always cross with each other. ఇది బండ గుర్తండి ఇంటర్నల్ ట్యాంజెంట్స్ అంటే. సిమిలర్లీ ఎక్స్టర్నల్ ట్యాంజెంట్స్ అంటే those lines may be in parallel. That means those are not cross with each other. ఇలా క్రాస్ అవుతున్నాయి అంటే దట్ ఖచ్చితంగా అది ఇంటర్నల్ ట్యాంజెంట్సే. ఒకవేళ క్రాస్ అవ్వట్లేదు, ప్యారలల్గా వస్తున్నాయి అంటే దట్ ఈస్ ఎక్స్టర్నల్. మీకు ఎగ్జామ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో ఇంటర్నల్ ట్యాంజెంట్స్ డ్రా చేయమంటే ద ట్యాంజెంట్ షుడ్ బి ఇన్ like this, like a cross shape, x shape. So if not, that is external, that is like a parallel lines. Okay, so coming to the drawing a internal tangents over two equal circles. Draw an interior common tangents or internal common tangents over a two equal circles of radius 30 mm and the distance between the centers is 80 mm. So in the problem he has given clearly it is a two equal, and he mentioned or he asked for internal common tangents. Okay, first of all, in the examination we need to identify these 2 points only. Either he asked for internal or external, or two equal or unequal circles. So in the problem it is very clear that internal tangents over a two equal circles. Okay, so for this, so draw a two equal circles of radius 30 mm. In the problem he is given, and for those circles the radius center point is O1 and O2. Okay, and the distance between the two circles, that is the 80 mm. Okay, now draw a line which is connecting centers O1 and O2. Okay, draw a line which is connecting points O1 and O2. Now just bisect the line O1 and O2. That means take radius is equal to above half of O1 and O2, and O1 as a center, just make an arc top and bottom. Similarly, O2 as a center, and radius is equal to half of O1 and O2 length, so make a one more arc. So these are draw a line connecting these two arcs. Okay, so this is a point which is dividing the line into two equal parts. That is a point number 3, O3, O1, O2 and O3. Now again bisect the line O1 and O3, like a similarly we done O1 O2 into O3, like that O1 O3 ni malla bisect cheyandi. So we get the point C. So that means O1 as a center, radius equal to half of O1 and O3 similarly, and O3 as a center, just 2. So this is the point. So this point is called C, point C. So similarly we get here also this side. So that is the point. This is C1, this is point C2, this point C1 and C2. Okay, so after that సో ఏంటంటే మీకు క్లమ్జీగా లేకుండా కొంచెం క్లియర్గా ఉండడం కోసం ట్రై చేస్తున్నానండి. ఓకే, సో O3 వచ్చేసింది, ఇది C1, దిస్ ఈజ్ C2, C1 ఉంటుంది. నౌ C1 యాజ్ ఎ సెంటర్, రేడియస్ ఈక్వల్ టు O1 and C1 ఆర్ O3 C1, just draw a circle. Similarly C2 as a center, draw a circle. So after that that means these two circles were drawn. These are the two circles, we call it as a imaginary circles. Okay, so imaginary circles, actual circle meet at point A, similarly point D, point C, point B. So now draw a line which is connecting A, B, C, D in this manner. So these are the internal common tangents to equal circles. Okay, this is about two equal circle having internal common tangents. Okay, see, again I am repeating, two circles in the problem is given. So these are the actual circles, After that, bisect the O1 and O2, we get the O3. After that, O1, O3 bisect C1, we get similarly C2. Now, C1 as a center, draw a circle. Similarly, C2 as a center, radius equal to O3C2 or OTC2. So, draw a circle. So, this imaginary line, this imaginary circle and actual circle meet at point at A. That is point A. Similarly, here point B, point C, point D. So, connecting these 4 points, we get the common internal tangents. Okay, this is model number 5. Model number 5. So, after that, model number 6. That means model number 6. This is the model number 6. Okay. Draw a interior tangents. Draw a interior or internal common tangent over two unequal circles of different radius like a 30 mm, 40 mm, and distance between those centers is 90 mm. Okay. For this, the procedure is, so in the problem he has given 30 mm radius circle and 40 mm radius circle, 30 mm and 40 mm. This is a 30 mm small one. This is a 40 mm. O1, O2. So now draw a line which is connecting O1 and O2. O1 and O2, and distance between these two is in the problem has given 80 or 90, whatever. Okay. So after that, O2 as a center, radius is equal to R1 plus R2. In the problem he is given radius R1 is 30, R2 is 40. So R1 plus R2 means 30 plus 40. We get the 70. That means take 70 mm as radius. Okay. O2 as a center, draw a circle. This one. Okay. This radius is equal to R1 plus R2. Okay. So after that, bisect the line O1 and O2. This line. Bisect the line. We get the O3. So O3 as a center, radius equal to O1 O3 or O2 O3. Just draw a circle. Okay. So these two imaginary circles meet at point. This also meet here a point. That means two imaginary circles meet this point P, point Q. Okay. Two imaginary circles meet out there. I will 2 points between point P, point Q. Now draw a line from O2 to the P. Similarly, O2 to the Q. So while drawing, this line meets a original circle number 2 at point B. Similarly, point D also. Point B and point D. Point B, point D. Similarly, draw a line parallel O1A, which is parallel to the BO2. Similarly, O1C parallel line O2D. See, అంటే ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ O2D ఈ లైన్ ఎలా ఉందో ఈ లైన్ ఇక్కడ యాజ్ ఇట్ గా ఇలా ప్యారలల్ గా డ్రా చేయండి. సిమిలర్లీ BO2 లైన్ ఉంది కదండి, ఈ లైన్ ఎలా ఉందో ప్యారలల్ గా O1A కూడా అలానే యాజ్ ఇట్ గా ప్యారలల్ గా డ్రా చేయండి. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్, so we get the C and A, here B and D. Now just to draw a line connecting these 4 points, we get the two common internal tangents over a two unequal circles. Okay, this is model number 6, very important for your exam point of view. Okay, so in which simply after O1 and O2 line, we need to bisect and we need to draw a circle. After that, O2 as a center, radius equal to O1 and R1 and R2. So these are the common points. So O2 నుంచి ఈ లైన్ కూడా డ్రా చేయండి. ఇది యాక్చువల్గా సర్కిల్కి ఇక్కడ టచ్ అయింది కదండి, సిమిలర్ ఇది కూడా ఇక్కడ టచ్ అవుతుంది కదా. సో ఈ టూ లైన్స్కి ఇక్కడ ప్యారలల్, ఈ లైన్కి ఇక్కడ ప్యారలల్ డ్రా చేసి ఈ 4 పాయింట్స్ని కనెక్ట్ చేస్తే we get the two internal tangents. This is called internal tangents of a two unequal circles. Okay, so for your exam point of view, model number 5, 6, 3, 4 very important. That means ఏమేం మోడల్స్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అంటే ఇంటర్నల్ టాంజెంట్స్ లో ఈక్వల్ సర్కిల్స్, అన్ఈక్వల్ సర్కిల్స్, ఎక్స్టర్నల్ టాంజెంట్స్ లో ఈక్వల్ సర్కిల్స్, unequal circles. These 4 model problems are very important for your exam point of view. So please make sure correct in your procedure. Okay, thank you. అండ్ సి ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ దిస్ ఇంటర్నల్ ట్యాంజెన్స్ అయినా ఎక్స్టర్నల్ ట్యాంజెన్స్ అయినా అన్ఈక్వల్ సర్క్యూట్స్లో ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే ఈ రేడియస్ తీసుకున్నాం కండి. ఎక్స్టర్నల్ ట్యాంజెన్స్కి ద రేడియస్ ఈజ్ R1 మైనస్ R2 ఆర్ R2 మైనస్ R1. ఫర్ ఇంటర్నల్ ట్యాంజెంట్ ద రేడియస్ ఈజ్ R1 ప్లస్ R2 అండి. అన్ఈక్వల్ సర్కిల్స్లో ఎక్స్టర్నల్ ట్యాంజెంట్స్ అయితే R1 మైనస్ R2 తీసుకోవాలి రేడియస్. అదే విధంగా ఇంటర్నల్ ట్యాంజెంట్స్ అయితే రేడియస్ ఈజ్ R1 ప్లస్ R2. ఓకే, సో ఇది ఒకటి గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి.